So this is our child support basics part 2. I got to figure out what's going on with my PC. I maybe just need to add more RAM. I don't know. My restream is real choppy, but if I were to use just the YouTube live, YouTube doesn't have a link or a way that I can share the screen. So it kind of would defeat the purpose. So I think what I'm going to start doing is setting up my YouTube lives and just tell them they can watch me on the live, but I'll just put the link for the Zoom because that seems to be the easiest way for people to see the information. But I want, I can still record it and flip it around later to do the editing. But let's say this. Okay, we're going to talk about why the federal courts, being courts of limited jurisdiction, tend not to be able to hear domestic relations cases. So even though the federal government pays the states to run the program or help them operate their program, it's still a state case. It's not a federal case. And if you don't have a federal issue, then the federal courts if they don't have a federal question or some federal, which is a federal rights violation, they tend to abstain from it. I'm going to show you all an order that I got before, and I wasn't even thinking about it. I just had the answer, and then JF and then somebody else it told me, hey man, that's kind of interesting. So I just showed them the order. I said they break down in the order why you can't bring the case to the federal court. But because people who are catching this are not my general clients, the question the statement was posed by LK that I should explain to people that there are judicial orders and then there are administrative orders. And depending on your state, LK and George, I know are in Florida. So that, we can do this. I can pretty much help everybody standing on my head when you're in Florida, okay? Because we know that went backwards and forwards. The other states, as you saw in my other video, that's more about people knowing how to, go through your state's rules and then, get your stuff figured out from there. So what I want to do now is say when there's an administrative order, okay, because you brought it up, and everybody have your pens out as well. I know you can come back because I'm going to send all this to you all anyway. It'll be inside your OneDrives. But you can always ask for a superseding order, and I thought I did that in the last video. So if I didn't, I really apologize. That's the base. That's one of the basics for support is that you can do a superseding order. So let's see. That's not what. Do you all see the Google? What do you all see? You all see Google, right?
Yes, we see the Google.
Okay. See that right there? It says it's administrative, but you can file a petition to supersede. Did you all see that right there? Did it change for you all too, or do you have something different? Or do you all see the instructions for petition to supersede and modify administrative child support order? Do you all see that?
Yeah. Now it says that. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do. Where's my resource folder? Oh, somebody else is trying to get in. Y'all can all see me, right? Is there? Okay. I don't see anybody else I need to admit. So now we all can have that. See that? And this is a template. I don't use templates, but what I would do is I would look at this, and from here I would be able to organize how to do them. But it's not really that difficult because see, there's the rules. Can y'all see that? Petition to supersede, modify?
Yes. Yep. Clear as day.
Okay, so that make it a little bit clearer. State that it's really this is how you do any order. See how it is list plain simple statements of fact. You see that?